Hey, welcome back. In this video, let's learn how to count the digits in a number. Now, this is a bit tricky, but the better is to keep dividing the number by 10 until it becomes 0. Let's unwrap this and see what exactly happens when we divide a number by 10. Let's pick any number, say 472. Now, when you perform integer division by 10 on 472, the result is the quotient, which in this case is 47. Notice how the rightmost or the last digit of 472 gets removed, leaving us with just 47. Now let's take 47 as our new number and divide it by 10 again. Again, another digit from the end gets removed. Now our number becomes 4. When we divide 4 again by 10, the result becomes 0. We can't divide this number by 10 any further. Now, check the count of divisions we performed. It is 3. The count of digits in the original number is also 3. So basically, the number of times we can divide a number by 10 is equal to the count of digits in that particular number. Let's code this out. Now, we know we have to keep dividing a number until it becomes 0. So we can use a while loop to check for this condition. Say num is 472 and while num is greater than 0, we keep dividing. So inside the loop, we do two things. One, of course, we divide the number by 10. So num will be equal to num by 10. Second, we need to keep track of the number of times we do this. So let's use a variable count that starts from 0. And inside the loop, every time we divide, we increment this counter by 1. Finally, we come out of the loop and print the count, which is nothing but the count of digits in the number. Thank you.